Hi, this is Ron with the Code Guys. Today I want to talk about the new user input elements for forms in HTML5. Most form elements used up until now have been the same ones that were added in 1994 in HTML version 2. The new forms in HTML5 include features that were only possible in older forms using JavaScript. The new part of forms is the input element types. The form shown here is the basic generic form shown in the latest version of Firefox. All the text boxes are uniformly created. If you only want the default interface created by your browser, that's fine. But if you want a custom look, you're going to have to use JavaScript to format it. So as you see, here are the new input types. Now text is an old one, date is a new one, time is a new one, and so date actually gives a drop-down calendar in some browsers, and that is the same for date and time, and for week, and for month. The telephone input type will be recognized as a telephone number and not just text. The number type might give spinbox control. The URL will be recognized as a web address and not just text. Same thing for email. Search will indicate that this is a search box and not just text. Range is something that you need to set up your minimum and your maximum numbers. Color is something that isn't really used all that much just yet. So now this is what your form elements would look like. Notice in Firefox version 4, the input text boxes are all the same size. Let's take a look and see what this same web page looks like in Chrome. Okay, so here it is in Chrome, again, the text. Notice the date has a text box and spin boxes, so you can set a date. The time, spin box. The date and time, and the week, and the month. They all have spin boxes. And the number just increments the number one number each time. Telephone number, as I said, will show a telephone number, and it isn't just text. Then there's URL and search. You can search this page. And then here's in Chrome, you have a slider instead of just a text box. So both of those were created just using the same HTML5 code. Notice data type text, data type date, time, date and time, week, month, telephone, and so on. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is Ron with the Code Guys.